Hey, oh, it's round two. We're gonna do it again. The rates are so good. I had to buy 20 more. Alright, here we go. 25, New Year. Camouflages. Ship. Alright, the ship rates are good. Kid. Nice. I wanted that, and now I don't have to buy it. $30 Leviathans. $20 Frosty Fir Trees. A boat! Here we go. Come on, tier 8. The Yukon. Okay, expected. I'm only missing 5 ships now from the tier 5 to 7 list. 30 Celias again. A boat! Because the drop rates are good. Seriously, if you can afford some, buy some. Lazao, knew it. Okay, now only missing, what, 4 ships from the list? 20s, New Year Skies. A boat! Look at that. You can kind of tell in the port when you get a boat. Hyuga, missing 3. $30 more Leviathans. That's a boat. Yep, that's a boat. Ignore that message. Saipan. So, oh, I get free doubloons because I own Saipan B. That's what that message was. So I have to complete the mission. Nice. Actually, not nice. But I mean, I get free doubloons out of it, but getting another ship other than Saipan would have been good. So technically a bad pull. More camos. More camos. Something other than camos, please. Some doubloons. There's a container right there, a free container. More Frosty Fir Trees. I think that was most of the RNG right there, used up at the front. More specials. Some coal. Yep, nice coal. And 30 dragons. So yeah, not as good as the first time around, but expected because it seems like the tier 5 through 7 list is where all of the RNG goes. So I'm missing like 3 now, I think. So yeah, it was okay. Good drops. Hyuga was nice. Saipan, cool to have the regular variant, but not cool because I already have the black. But if I do the combat mission, I'll get some doubloons. I think like 1,500 or something like that. Let me check combat missions. Black Friday. Here it is. Win a battle. Win 5 battles. 2,500 doubloons. So another container in here on top of the 2,500 that I pulled already. So you can get a couple more rolls out of that. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, again, good drops. Recommended if you have some money to spend. Buy some mega containers. Some coal. Very good. Some more doubloons. Free container right there. More spring skies. More doubloons. Another container. Where's the pity? Come on. Here it is. Here's the ship. It's pity, but it's the ship. The London. I used pity on the London. Oh, another one? Yep, another one. The Leningrad. Alright. And then here's the final. 30 Basilisk. Okay. And, okay, I have a lot more doubloons left over. How much are 8? 8 are 848. I can buy another roll of 8. Here we go, another set of 8. Oh shit! The Abruzzi. Another one? Another one! I got it! I got the Kronstadt! Fuck yeah, dude! Fuck yeah! Sorry. I wanted the Kronstadt, and I got Kronstadt. That is very, very poggers. Some more coal. I lucked out there. That was good. Kronstadt's nice. All these don't matter. I got Kronstadt. Yeah, not on the last one, but no ships there. But Kronstadt. Heck yeah. That's it. I'm poor. Direct deposit store gaming complete.